Indian Oil presents damaged VP ring foot ring cylinders segregation machine. Present system. Presently haulage manpower is deployed at plant for segregation of cylinders not fit for filling due to damaged VP ring and foot ring. These cylinders are sent for VP ring foot ring straightener machine for further repair. High chances of missing of the defective cylinder in the routine job by contract worker. Continuous monitoring and manual intervention required. New system implemented at Loni BP. The unit works continuously without manual intervention. No depreciation in performance in a whole day. One contract manpower is saved, which was deployed for HR segregation. Working of HR segregator. Whenever cylinder passes through sensor 1, WL, stopper stops another incoming cylinder. This stopper also stops even when the machine is in the off condition. Stopper will also work in if sensor 5 is active, downstream jamming case, irrespective of machine is in the operation or not. Whenever cylinder passes through sensor 2, simultaneously sensor 3 will sense cylinder's upper ring and lower ring height. Total height of the 14.2 kilograms cylinder is 625 mm and the gap between bottom of the cylinder and foot ring base is 10 mm. The first sensor limit switch is set at 615 mm for 14.2 kilograms from the top of conveyor chain and second sensor at 700 mm top of conveyor chain. Similarly, the height of 19 kilograms cylinder is 725 mm and the clearance between the foot ring base and bottom of cylinder is 25 mm. So the limit switch is set at 700 mm. When the height of the cylinder is less than 700 mm, it gets rejected. When cylinder crosses sensor, PLC checks status of sensor 3. If result is not active, then cylinder will be rejected by pusher to rejection line, and if result is active, then cylinder will prompt to main line. Idea conceived and nurtured at Incubation Center, UPSO2.